Mami.
May gagawin kaming challenge ni Mommy Fenty ngayon, ang No Reaction Challenge. Siyempre with our Nature Spring na merong new tethered cap. Yes, Polly. Hindi na siya natatanggal sa bote and all you have to do is twist, flip, and lock. And of course, you can recycle it. That is Polly. Agreeing. Okay. Para sure na nakalock siya, you can hear or feel a locking sound. You know. And pag minum kayo, ganito. Diba? Hindi tumatama sa ilong kapag uminom tayo. Dahil sa ginawa ito ng Nature Spring, it helps the environment, bawas kalat, na hindi na natin mamimisplace ang takip, and it can be recycled as one para more hygienic and more convenient. Diba? Mommy?
Yes.
Okay.
Mami, yung luno.